Hello everyone, welcome to yet another riveting episode of Theya Masterpieces. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Nilesh Ghorad. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
I'm good, Suresh. How are you?
I'm good sir, thank you very much. So let's commence today's episode by knowing about your overall career path and career journey. So can you please walk us through that?
Yeah, sure, Suresh. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm basically mechanical engineering graduate, having completed my management studies in 1998, and almost having now 22 years of an experience in business management and factory management. Just to take you through my journey of career. I started my career in 1998 with a very small company in Pune. That was Konark Engineering Services, which was into project-based installation and commissioning company for sugar companies, sugar mills, I would say. I worked there, then I got an opportunity to work with a company by name Incab Industries Limited in Pune, Hadapsar area.
Okay.
I worked there for almost a year in management training cadre, and then I got shifted to another company in Pune, which is Finolex Cables Limited. There I worked for almost 2.5 years, 3 years, and then I got a very small opportunity to work with production also there. And while doing production and this maintenance, there was an opportunity to work with commercial department, and then I was chosen for purchase department there. So I worked there overall 6 years plus, and when I got out from there, I was handling purchases completely at Finolex Cables Goa division.
Okay.
And then I entered into a different, I would say, manufacturing line, and I chosen a different company also in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and that company was Molex India Limited. So I worked there in a materials department. I was a materials head there, having four departments under me, like materials management and by default purchase management, stores management, planning, and I mean production planning and customer service management. I worked there for 4 years, and then I got an opportunity to work with a company by name Parikshit Industries Limited, which was into irrigation equipments manufacturing. I continued with them for next 5 years in the capacity of senior general manager operations, taking care of entire operations there. After working there for 8 years, then I thought I needed a break. Then I got into a different technology again, and then I joined a company by name Hemlines Textile Exports, that is in Ahmedabad area. This is all about a small journey of my career, Shreyas.
What exactly inspired you to become a career mentor and join Theya?
See, having spent almost 22 years in service now, and going through different departments, and I eventually ended up having HR department also under me. So I see a lot of people, lot of candidates coming to me and having no idea basically that what they should do, and sometimes they are just lost. They are having their education qualification and their background is good. They seem to be very serious about their career, but sometimes I felt like they wanted something different and they are approaching something else. So I think they are kind of a confused people. At the end of the day, work with different companies, but they are not satisfied at the end of the day. So I thought somewhere I should share my experience, and I should give them a guide. I should show them a path, what can be good for them, and how should they out their career. And that is what it came to my mind, and that was the reason that I wanted to get associated with the.
How do you think Dheya is changing the perspective of the overall public about career or career mentor?
See, frankly, I think like when I said that people are in the age of 13 to 20, when they are really deciding about their career, just entering into, deciding about their career. So one thing is just entering into a class 10th, which takes the shape. And
Right.
just after 12th, they are about 20 or something like that. Then they enter into their graduation. So within this period, they should have very clear cut mindset like what qualities they are having, what kind of personality they have, what kind of attitude they have. If they know themselves what they are, I think if one comes to know about his qualities also, that is what exactly they is trying to do. The show the mirror to the pupil, like this is what you are, and that is where I think you are doing a great work, that you show them a right path and you give them a guidance, so that at the end of the day they are not confused and they will be happy throughout their working career, and as a personal career also. I mean, other than job and working this one, they should be happy, and I think you are contributing in that area.
What is your advice for parents, students, or overall general public about choosing a career or a career path?
Okay, well, see, choosing career is not something like a cakewalk. It has to have great patience, great knowledge about self and our children also. So we need to spend time with them. That is one thing. It doesn't end up with having that candidate handed over to the agencies like they or something else. So first thing is spend good time with your children. Second thing is that you need to tell them that smart work is necessary, but hard work has no substitute. So in life, that prevails, and that will if smart work is always there, but hard work if you do at any point in time, if you are collapsed in your journey, that will keep you always up. So luck also favors those who work hard and who work for themselves. So these are a few points I would like to convey to children and their parents. And I would say, like, if you're stuck up somewhere in your life, life doesn't end there, and we need to take it ahead. And that is where I say that if you do a hard work, just trust in yourself, have a great patience, and just keep going on. Somewhere at the end of a day, there will be the end of a tunnel, and you will see the light. So that's it.
I sincerely can't thank you enough for sharing this all of these your experience today and taking out time for us. Thank you very much. And I thank you all for joining us here today. I'm sure you must have found it inspirational and enlightening. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.